Do you feel like you're constantly struggling to make ends meet? Are you living paycheck to paycheck and barely scraping by? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to teach you how to create a budget plan that will help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget plan is to determine your total income. This includes your salary, any side hustles or part-time jobs, and any other sources of income you may have. Make sure to calculate this on a monthly basis. Step 2. Track your expenses. The second step is to track your expenses. This means recording everything you spend, from rent and bills to groceries and entertainment. You can use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to help you keep track of your expenses. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you have tracked your expenses, it's time to categorize them. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and debt repayment. Step 4. Set goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to set some goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or take a dream vacation? Whatever your goal may be, make sure it's specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Step 5. Create your budget plan. Finally, it's time to create your budget plan. Start by subtracting your expenses from your income. If you have a positive number, great. This means you have money left over to put towards your financial goals. If you have a negative number, you'll need to reevaluate your expenses and see where you can make cuts. Creating a budget plan may seem overwhelming, but it's the key to taking control of your finances. By following these 5 steps, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals and living a more comfortable and fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive 2 free videos every day.